Hi dears, welcome back to science class. Today we will continue our revision topic 5.8 length and thickness of wire in a circuit. We already learned what about the thickness of wire, the change in the thickness of wire. We know that thicker wire in a simple circuit will make the bulb brighter. Thicker wire have less resistance, so more electric current can pass through, can flow, because it is a thicker wire, less resistance and more electric current can flow. So thicker wire is better than the thinner wire. The thinner wire have more the resistance, so less electric current can flow, so the bulb is dimmer. So we are using the thicker wire. Okay, so what is meant by resistance? Resistance means the amount of opposition to the flow of current. It opposes the flow of current, that is resistance. And which would conduct electricity best, a long wire or short wire? Which one? Yes, of course, short wire. Why short wire is conducting the electricity best? Why shorter wire is better than the longer wire? Electrons moving through the short wire within a short time. Okay, short wire within a short time, very faster compared to the longer one. Okay, but the longer wire takes time to move the electrons, electric current. But in shorter wire, the electrons moving through the electric current pass through in a short time. And the longer wire is have the more resistance. It has due to the longer path. It has a longer path the electrons have to flow along to get from the one end to the another. It takes more time to travel the electrons. So the shorter wire is better than the longer wire. And what about the resistance? The tendency of a material to oppose the flow of electrons, that is called resistance. The filament in a light bulb is a resistor. We know that the bulb, inside the bulb you can see a filament. This filament is a resistor. Okay, and thicker wire has less resistance, thinner wire has more resistance, short wire have less resistance and long wire have more resistance. Understand this one? Okay, and electrical conductors have much less resistance than insulators. The conductors have much less resistance than insulators. And these are the conclusion about this topic. Short fat wire, that means short thick wire make good conductors. Short thick wire, there is a low resistance, but long thin wire make poor conductor. Okay, long skinny wire, that means thin wire. Long thin wire make poor conductors. There is a high resistance. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep learning. Do a revision sheet. Bye bye.